In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the newest update, Google Chrome 132. This version comes packed with smarter features, enhanced developer tools, and improved security measures, all designed to make your browsing experience both smoother and safer. Let's start with one of the most intriguing new features, the introduction of the toggle event for dialog boxes. This feature allows websites to detect when a pop-up or dialog window opens or closes. So what does this mean for you as a regular user? Well, it translates to smoother online interactions. Imagine dealing with cleaner sign-in pop-ups or receiving confirmation messages that operate reliably without a hitch. This simple addition makes navigating websites a more fluid experience. Moving on, Chrome now makes screen sharing much more sophisticated. You can now choose to share a specific element of a tab rather than displaying your entire screen or a whole tab. Say you're in an online meeting or presentation. You can choose just to share a video player, a form, or a chart. This feature is incredibly handy for people who host webinars, carry out presentations, and create tutorials. Being able to showcase only the relevant part of your screen keeps your audience engaged and focused on just the information you want them to see. Another significant update in Chrome 132 is the File System Access API, now available on Android and WebView. This API empowers web apps to open, edit, and save files directly on your device. Essentially, it makes web apps more akin to desktop apps by providing the convenience of editing documents, images, or code right in your browser. Whether you're a developer working on code snippets or someone tinkering with images, this functionality seamlessly integrates your tasks into the browser environment without needing to jump between applications. The update also brings text layout enhancements for vertical writing, supporting directions like sideways left and sideways right. This is particularly useful for languages such as Japanese and can be a creative boon for designs utilizing vertical text. It's these little tweaks that can make a substantial difference for users who engage with content in languages that aren't written horizontally. And for those using a Chromebook Plus, there's a visual refresh to enjoy. Windows now come with rounded corners. This aesthetic change provides a more polished and modern look to Chrome OS, enhancing the overall visual appeal of your device's interface. Naturally, security remains a paramount focus. With Google Chrome 132, there are fixes for 16 security vulnerabilities, including several high-risk ones. These improvements are crucial for safeguarding your browsing activities, bolstering protection against potential threats and data breaches. To sum it up, Google Chrome 132 zeroes in on delivering better web experiences, smarter screen sharing capabilities, and bolstered security, all meticulously crafted to ensure you remain productive and secure as you explore the web. That's the rundown on Google Chrome 132. Be sure to update your browser to the latest version to take advantage of these features, and subscribe for more quick and handy tech updates.